Hi, I'm Greg Satori, manager of Satori's Auto Service. I'd like to nominate Eric Endries as the Garmat Sharp Shooter. He's the type of employee every shop manager would love. He does whatever we ask of him with attention to detail, and he understands our paint system and allows the Garmat paint booth to have flawless finishes every time. He's never had any customer complaints. In fact, people love his work. In regards to Eric's paint work, he always gets the job done safely and in less time than we expect. I can't imagine a better painter to have on staff than Eric, so he's definitely our choice for the Garmat Sharp Shooter. Thank you.
Here at Satori's Auto Service, our Garmat Spray Booth helps provide us with a clean, high-quality paint job